Hello guys, today let's talk about how to link your Visual Studio Basic with Access file. In this lab, we need to learn how to link it. So first of all, you can prepare your design. So you can copy your design from your previous lab to here. And then let's prepare your Access file. So I have put my Access file into my current lab, bin folder, debug folder, and put my employee DB into here. For this file, you have to change something in the file. So let's go ahead, open it. Okay, double click your table name, employee. You have your data. Let's click view. And you will see your birthday date. The data type was date and time. Please change it into short text or long text. Otherwise, you cannot link your birth date. Now I have changed it into short text. Let's go ahead, save it and close it. And also, please prepare your ADO handout PDF. There's a lot of commands which are used to manage your database. I will post it online. Okay, now let's go ahead. First of all, select project over here. Then click add new data source. Select the first one, database. Click next. Select this one, still click next. Now let's create a new connection. For here, make sure you select Access Database File, OLE DB. Otherwise, you just click change to change into this selection. Let's browse our file name. Because I already put in my bin debug folder, it's easy for me to find my access file. Let's select this access file, open. Now I have opened this file. Let's test connection. Connection succeeded. Now it's fine. Let's go ahead, click OK. Now I have linked employeedb.mdb. Let's click next. Click yes. Leave this alone. So make sure you have this one. Click next. Select table. You can also have your choice to select views. It's better to select them all. You will see you have one table, employee, and you have the 4 columns, which are ID, name, date, and pay rate. And your dataset name is employee DB dataset. Let's click finish. Now you have linked your data source. On the right side, you will see your employee DB dataset. Select employeedb.mdb. Go ahead, choose property, copy to output directory. Change copy always into copy if new. Okay, the next step is we need to link all text box with a related column. Let's select your first text box. Go to properties, slide down. Find data binding, explain. Select text. And there's nothing, so we need to create our data source. Click other data source. Select project data source. Now we have employee DB dataset. Select our table. This is my employee ID, so we need to select the first one. Okay, now I have linked the employee ID with the access file. And you will see the system will create those 3 sets. Okay, now let's link the next one. Select text box 2. Go ahead, select data binding, text. Because we have created our data binding source, so just use this directly. Do not select our data source again. select data binding source, then select employee name. Okay, this is the second one. Let's bind the third one. First date. Now let's bind the fourth one. Pay rate. Okay, we have linked our data source and bind all text box with access file. Let's double click any empty space to go to your form load. Okay, now this is my form load. You will see the system has created this one for us automatically, so you don't have to worry about it. Let's declare a nonsense private total as integer, which means we need to know the number of employees we have. Let's go to your ADO file. You will see here, database name dataset.tablename.count. This command is how you get your total number of data. So database name is your employee DB, and dataset.tablename. Table name is employee. So we can go ahead and type this code. Total equal to employee dataset.employee, which is my data name, .count. So this is your total number of employees you have. Let's see. Okay, now we have linked everything together. That's all.